Hi guys! Tulipical makeup is with you, and today we are going to do a sexy cat eye makeup for my beautiful model Anastasia. Well, the majority of my models are Anastasias, that's true. Just look how this makeup perfectly goes with her black satin dress. So let's not waste the time and get into it. I think you'll agree that Anastasia is a real sweet, charming cutie. She has a good skin color, so I'm just making a light color correction, going deeper to the central zones. Lightening the under eye zone. I love to set foundation not always by a powder, but by a thin layer of highlighter. It perfectly works, especially on young skin, creating this fresh, hydrated finish. Sculpting the cheeks, neckline, nose. Combing the brows and drawing the additional hairs. Anastasia asked me not to comb her eyebrows too high, so I just followed her natural growth line. Next step is to apply cream product of a natural color and draw the shape of the eye. Pay attention, my darlings, that one brush applies a product, another blends it out. Putting accents. After I brightened the eyelid central parts with the cream product, I've immediately put sparkles on them. Duplicating the form of the eye by dry eye shadows. Softening the borders of our blending. And here we are, the most important moment in the makeup universe, wind drawing. So how do I advise to do it? First, fill the lash line, then take a deep breath and continue the line into the graphic form. You know, it's always useful to have another clean brush at hand. It will help you to make tiny corrections on the stage when the product is freshly applied. Color emphasis to the corners. Sparkling eyeliner, underlining the inner corners, mascara. To intensify the cat eye form, I'm putting some additional eyelashes, more intensive to the corners. Lining the lips and filling them with a natural color. Blush of a soft pink color. And voila! Flirty but at the same time discreet look for a mysterious lady. Hope that you enjoyed our makeup for today. I congratulate you on Saint Valentine's Day. I wish you to love and to be loved. And Thank you for your support, for your thumbs up, subscription, and see you soon.